Hey, my name is Rachel Jones. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I look all disheveled right now. I've just been out doing 2 shoots today, so that's why I look so tired. But I wanted to bring you along to show you the makeup look that I did on my second shoot today. It was for EMK Clothing, which is a Winnipeg boutique. Everything there is handmade and gorgeous and sustainable. This is the makeup look that I did, very glowy, it's very natural, and we know that their market is from 20 to 90, so this was kind of the makeup look that I came up with that I felt would be relatable for everyone, every age. This is makeup that you can wear when you're 20, it's makeup that you can wear when you're 90, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Here is the tutorial. Bye!
Hello everyone.
Hello. Okay, so I just want to say that we're here with someone who there's cream all over her face. It's great. She looks great. I just wanted to shoot with Juliet forever, and we're really excited. And so today we're gonna do kind of like a branding with a local clothing line, and then tomorrow we're gonna do something crazy. But we just started off with cleansing with some Bioderma. Her skin was like really perfect already, but it's true. And then I just mixed some Ombre Elise and Gold Stroke Cream from MAC just as a base to start off. Here we go. So I'm just starting off by moisturizing the skin. I mean, what is there to say other than this is the best way to do your makeup because you look healthy. About this glow, there's actually a bunch, MAC came out with a bunch of different kinds of strobing cream actually. A few years ago, they had the Silver Light for a while. And then they came out with gold, I think back in 2006. And this is the gold. And it looks really good on C-toned complexions. Obviously, Juliet already has gold in her skin, so this just enhances the golden glow. And why not a little brow massage while we're at it?
Is this your signature look?
Yeah, this is definitely how I do most people's skin. Obviously, like if you're a little bit more acne prone, maybe skip the illumination step all over the skin and just put it in places where you have a little bit less texture, because this will pick up on texture, but fucking look at her. Like, there's a reason why we can get away with this. So we're gonna go for the whole thing. Do you want to tan or do you want to be lighter? Do you have a preference?
I don't care.
Okay.
I just want to look like me.
That's an important factor too.
Me, but better.
Yeah, you just like after some sleep and like a makeout session or something.
Oh.
You know?
Yeah, hopefully soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me too. I'm like, let's hope.
Oh.
Face and Body is a water-based, really, really, really thin foundation. And I think the only reason why I use Face and Body is so when I conceal, it has something to stick onto. Because you should always put a little bit of foundation on, even if you don't want it to look like it's there. Always put a little bit of foundation on if you're going to conceal, because it needs to hold on to something even if there's a primer. It's just the colors amalgamate a lot better. And so that's this kind of texture without it being mixed in any cream. And so obviously if you want a little bit more coverage, you just tap and then sheer out in other areas.
I need him to be my green card honey.
Yeah, that's another option.
That's
I was
true.
gonna say you could just
You
get
just
married.
need to marry someone.
Why don't you join one of those websites and be like looking for a husband who's looking for a really young female?
Right? Like,
That would totally not blow up in your face.
the thing is, like, I want to actually love them.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
I didn't know that's what marriage was about. Something that I like to do. We're not gonna cut that part out either, though.
Love that. Okay. Yeah, this is the one for the Instagram on my page.
Yes.
Like just that clip.
Just that clip.
Okay. Roll it and.
Roll it and act it. Normally what I do is I'll mix this golden hot sand illuminator underneath makeup, but because we had the strobe light, the golden strobe light, thanks to Juliet, we are just going to put this on top of the cheekbones. Okay, NARS Orgasm Liquid, universally the most...
Orgasm, another thing that I want to have soon. Anyways, sorry. Rolling.
No! Me too! I didn't want to say this on camera before. I was like, yeah, after like a makeup session, but honestly, like, you know, after like a really steamy session, you look in the mirror and like, your cheekbones look more lifted somehow, and everything's just brighter and fresher. That's that side. This is you pre-O, this is you post-O. There you go. So one rule that I like with blush, and this is kind of like, okay, so I drape, it's kind of 80s where I'll bring it up, but that constructs like a really strong cheekbone. But one rule for blush is just to take your finger, and it's just a 1 finger rule. So anywhere in here, don't add the redness, only conceal. And then from that finger upwards to about your temple. That's where you do the blush. One thing that I like to do is blush first, and then you can conceal after. So you can clean up. Okay, so we're gonna start with an NC40. And so C is golden toned, NC40 to highlight. So we're going kind of just under the eye and around the nose here. And so I like to do just a little bit lighter around here just to lift this area and start to bring it forward, and then down to the mouth. So you're highlighting kind of in this region, and then I'll just bring everything forward. Mixing two, see, this is the thing. This is annoying, but this is for you people at home that don't have perfect skin like Juliet. So we're taking a little bit of the mid peach color corrector, and then we're gonna go in and we're gonna mix in the burnt coral color corrector, just a little bit of that burnt coral. So we're just mixing two of these color correcting tones, and what warmer underneath the eye does is it just takes away any purple, not that you have any, just look up. And this will just reflect light, and then we'll go over with the concealer again. So you can just see the difference. All this does is it just brightens up that area and gets rid of just the under eye. Although I do kind of like an eye bag sometimes, and it looks really good. She just is herself, and we all have bags, and it looks good, and it looks
sleep
fresh.
a little the night before.
Sleepless, you know, maybe there was a reason why she didn't sleep the night before.
Right.
Hopefully.
You know, real life shit.
Yeah, like, so the skin is pretty much done now. This is kind of what healthy skin looks like. Just corrected,
Amazing.
Brightened, and so we'll just set it now with a little bit of Fix Plus. I'll probably powder later, but closing coming in, and what Fix Plus does is it adds moisture, and it also sets all the makeup. Not clear gloss, by the way, and just pressing it onto the lip, because she already has a beautiful lip color, and you want to look wet. She's already wet.
I'm already wet.
Little Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel.
Yes. Do you want to come? Maybe I can take a little video.
Okay.
Okay, so she just
Voila.
made me into a dewy goddess. I feel beautiful. Oh my god, look at
Okay, here we go. We're
Yeah.
let's get in the grand reveal. Oh, that looks good.
I love that actually.
Are those your jeans or theirs?
That's theirs.
Great.
Oh, it's video.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this gorgeous, glowing makeup tutorial. I hope that you can try it, whether you're 20, whether you're 90, you found out a really cool trick that applies to your skin. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.